PULICAT Lake Bird Sanctuary is a sanctuary for birds 759 square kilometers in area, located in the Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh, and is a protected area of the Thiruvalluvar district of Tamil Nadu. Pulicat Lake is the second largest brackish water lagoon in India after Chilka Lake in Orissa. The sanctuary's international name is Pulicat Lake Wildlife Sanctuary. The sanctuary has many greater flamingos. It attracts many migratory birds and is a feeding and nesting ground for aquatic and terrestrial birds such as pelicans, storks, gulls, and terns. The biodiversity of this lake attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors every year. Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary is about 60 kilometers from Chennai, and the barrier island of Sriharikota separates this lake from the Bay of Bengal. Pulicat Lake is known for its large congregations of flamingos, particularly during the winter months. About 15,000 flamingos visit Pulicat annually. The best time to observe flamingos at their peak numbers is between mid-December and February. Both greater and lesser flamingos are found in Pulicat Lake. Flamingos are considered an indicator species, meaning their presence in the area signifies a healthy coastal environment. Greater flamingos migrate to Pulicat Lake from their breeding grounds in the Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat in October, returning back in April-May. A flamingo festival is held in Pulicat in December to celebrate the birds' arrival and migration. Flamingos are tall, wading birds with distinctive pink plumage, long legs and necks, webbed feet, and a curved bill. They are known for their social behavior, living in large flocks, and communicate through vocalizations and displays. Their most distinctive feature is their bright pink plumage, which comes from their diet of algae and other organisms. Besides flamingos, Pulicat Lake is a haven for various other migratory bird species between October and March. Flamingos are often associated with beauty, vibrance, and a touch of flamboyance due to their striking pink color and long, elegant legs.